بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, welcome to page 8 in our book. Today we are going to go through the Arabic alphabets, also just an exercise and practice of letters when they are two. Okay, as you can see here, we have two letters when both of them have fatha, and how do we read them. So this is just an exercise to make sure that you are able to read, okay, because we have a long journey for fatha. Okay, inshallah, let's jump into it. Okay, so the first one, as we said, alif, hamza, fatha, alif, hamza, and fatha. So remember, we said we're gonna read them like summary. So this is an example of how to read it. We read a, 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 ba, aba. Also, you can go the other way, ba'a. Okay, a, ta, ata, ta, a, ta'a. It's good to do that. Why? Because you're going to be sure that you know all these letters, and it's just a good practice. Then we have a, tha, atha, tha, a, tha'a. A, ja, aja, ja, a, ja'a. Ba, a, ba'a, a, ba, aba. Ba, ba, baba, ba, baba. Ba, ta, bata, ta, ba, taba. Ba, tha, batha, tha, ba, thaba. Ba, ja, baja, baja, ja, ba, jaba. Ta, a, ta'a, a, ta, ata. Ta, ba, taba, ba, ta, bata. So if you go this way, taba. If you go the other way, bata. But don't forget, in Arabic, we always read going from right to the left. Unlike in English, we read from left to right. In Arabic, we read from right to the left. Then we have ta, ta, tata, ta, ta, tata. Ta, fa, tatha, fa, ta, thata. Ta, ja, taja, ja, ta, jata. Fa, a, fa'a, a, fa, atha. Fa, ba, thaba, ba, tha, batha. Fa, ta, fata, ta, fa, tatha. Fa, fa, fatha, fa, fatha. Fa, ja, faja, ja, fa, jatha. Okay. Ja, a, ja'a, a, ja, aja. Ja, ba, jaba, ba, ja, baja. Ja, ta, jata, ta, ja, taja. Ja, fa, jatha, fa, ja, thaja. Ja, ja, jaja, ja, ja, jaja. Inshallah, simply this is how we are supposed to read this page. A'a, aba, ata, atha, أجا باء بابا بتا بثا بجا تاء تبا تتا تثا تجا ثاء ثبا ثتا ثثا ثجا جاء جبا جتا jatha, lastly jaja. So inshallah, make sure you are able to read all this and they are easy. And if you feel you are not comfortable, please make sure you don't go to the next page. Make sure this page is as easy as possible and you understand it. So inshallah, also we have some instructions here for a teacher. Maybe you can take or a practice for a student at home. You just take, for example, ha, a, ja, ya, ho, a, ho, ya until the end. It's just a practice. If you look at the examples, you will see like you just take one letter and another one, join them together and read them together. So inshallah, ma'asalama. If you have any question, let us know. Inshallah, please share, subscribe, and also like our page. Inshallah, ma'asalam. Shukran. See you in the next lesson.